Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's video. First thing today is I have to take this car in to get fixed. The story is, at our old house, I was parked it out the front like this, and don't know if it was some kids or whatever, but they've come up and like absolutely destroyed it with a key or something. So I'm going to take it in to get fixed, and then I'll get to skateboard home, and then I don't know what we're doing. We'll find out, I guess. Alright. Oh, bump a bit. Okay, so the story behind the car is, that's actually my best friend's car, James. He's letting me use it while he hasn't got a license. I won't get into that story. But he is trying to sell it, so he thought he'd have a bit of more luck selling it in a regional area than in the city, because they're a dime a dozen up there and people actually buy stuff here. So yeah, they reckon they're going to have it for about 3 days before it's all fixed and repainted and looks good. Then we can put it back up for sale. Ooh, that was smooth. Also, I think I need to get a cheaper camera set up to do this sort of stuff with, like skateboarding and vlogging. So I kind of don't want to crash and destroy my $3,000 gear. So I'm thinking maybe the Canon M50 for a vlog camera. I do have the Sony A5100, but that overheats and it's unreliable, and yeah. Oh. Okay, so the kids were getting a bit restless and this vlog was really going nowhere. So I'm just going to take these guys out for a bit of a walk, but first we need to get fuel. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the camera on while I'm out of the car, just to see what these two do when they're by themselves. I think that'll be fun. Oh, there's bushfire smoke everywhere. Okay, so I was going to do the parent trap spying thing, but she's asleep. There's no point. It's okay. We'll do it another time. So guys, again, I have no idea where this vlog's going. Apparently we just brought a guinea pig, and I think I need to go pick it up. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to do a good enough job, but it should. But like this, the whole town is just absolutely covered in smoke. That's from a bushfire that's, I think it's 40 k's away, 40 or 50 k's away. Plan was to take the kids on a hike, but there is so much bushfire smoke. This is really hurting my hand. There is so much bushfire smoke around, it's not going to be good for them. So I think we're gonna have to hold off on the hike as well. Sorry guys. But I think we're still getting a guinea pig. That's cool. So I guess now that Sean's pretty much asleep, might as well just go to the pet store and just see what I need to not let my guinea pig die, I guess. Off to the pet store, let's go, let's do this. Okay, so as I pulled up, we decided not to get the guinea pig because the lady is only rehoming it because her dogs won't leave it alone, and we have 2 dogs and we're babysitting Hamish's dog. So It's just going to be too much right now. I reckon we'll get one later, but I'm sorry, Winnie the guinea pig. That's what I was going to call you. But yeah, I don't think we're going to be your new home. Sorry, bud. And look who's awake. You have no idea what nearly happened. So just a quick update, we are going on our hike. The smoke seemed to calm down a bit, but there's still a bit around. But these guys just woke up, so if I don't get their energy out, they're going to stay up until like midnight tonight. So, whoa, how windy is it? Did you have a good sleep in the car? Watch out for the bush, and we need to watch out for snakes. So if you see like a stick looking thing wriggling,
watch out.
Tell Dad. Well, that's our goal. There's a little lookout up there that I've been trying to get to for years, but I don't think Sab's up for it. Okay, sweetie? Should Dad just carry you? Oh. Alright. You okay? Sean's definitely up for the walk. Stay there. Check out this girl. That's a big spider. Yeah, what do we do with spiders? We don't touch them because they hurt.
That way?
Which way?
This way.
You want to go this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Sean. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're going to walk up this to get to our destination. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, be careful. So I've had enough of walking. Plus she's not going to do really good up on this dirt trail, so. Whew! Dad's feeling it though.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is big. How are you going? Also, it's going to be really windy, so I don't know if the mic's going to peek out, but pretty cool view. You okay? It's not even that steep, bud. Oh. Nice job. Sav, you are so heavy. Oh my god. Oh, change it up. Ah, we got this. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, we're nearly there. But this part's really steep, bud. Dad's gonna turn the camera off so he can hold your hand.
You doing now?
Whoa! Are your legs burning? My legs are burning.
My legs burn too.
You okay?
It's so far.
Push!
Wow!
Push! Wow!
You're
Whoa!
going that way. You're going that way. Wow.
You guys enjoy the view. Dad's just gonna lay down. Oh my god. Whew. It's your footprint. I think it got a bit more smoky again. It was kind of clear when we first got on the trail, but Now it looks smoky in that again. Oh my god. Alright, I think it's time that we go home, have some dinner, put these rugrats to bed, and just live life. If anything interesting happens from now until we get home, I'll film it, but if not, I'm signing off here. Yeah mate, we're going home now. Thanks legends for watching the vlog. I'm gonna keep doing a few more of these. I'm getting close to daily vlogging, but it's still a bit away before I can just do daily vlogging. So, yeah, we're doing a couple a week.